So this is how to light up a smoker. First start from the bottom and then light it up. Then start smoking it a bit, and then when it starts catching on fire, put a little bit more hay. And if it doesn't start catching on fire and smoking, then just try it again. Or how I'm doing here is just taking a little bit of it out and lighting it up, and then just that's how it is. So then you start pumping really hard until the smoke starts coming out. And when you pump really hard and you see that white, thick smoke, it means that you've done well. Now, please subscribe for more beekeeping tips. Thank you for watching Oskar the Beekeeper.